What's the meaning of caramelize? Caramelize. Caramelize.
Caramelize. Caramelize. Caramelize is a cooking technique that involves heating sugar or other carbohydrates until they turn brown and develop a rich, nutty flavor. This process can be achieved through dry heat, such as with a torch or in an oven, or through moist heat, such as in a sauté pan with added liquid. As the sugar molecules break down and reform into new compounds, the result is a sticky, sweet glaze or coating on the surface of the food being caramelized. This can add depth of flavor and texture to dishes ranging from savory meats to sweet desserts.